Alright, top of the morning. It's been a while between skates. I've just been moving house, moving towns. So this session took place about 2 weeks ago. This was early, this was about 7 o'clock in the morning. I didn't do any talking to the camera in this one, so I just thought I'd try something different and do this little voiceover as I go through. Start out with a couple of ollies. So I only had about half an hour to skate. It's been raining all night as well, so you can't really tell, but the ground and everything around is really wet. So like always, we just start out with what we've learnt so far. Because I've already learned these tricks, I just kind of want to get one that feels half decent, then I move on. Now we'll get into these 180s. So this is the second session, I think, on 180s. Everything's switch. I can really feel how weak my left knee is. Backside 180s, don't like them, but slowly getting more comfortable. Maybe I didn't get these in the last session. I think I was trying to land through. And yeah, I really wasn't feeling it, you know, them days when you just got cobwebs, your brain's a bit cloudy. My forward felt like my mind, just a bit heavy. Switch backside 180s. These are still a long way off. Like, I'm really struggling with them. Yeah, I just can't get that rotation. I'm gonna have to watch a tutorial or something on those because they're just not making sense. Not computing in my head. There's no way I'm gonna get them today. I just know I'm gonna slip out and hurt myself if I try and stick those. The mind's just foggy. I've already filmed the next session, so I'm going to edit that, get it up straight away as soon as possible. But there's a 2-week gap between this session and the most recent one that I'll chuck up next. I think I get all the 180's down except for those switch backsides, and then move on to some pop shove-its.